All right, you guys. Today we're talking about how do you rewrite a fraction as a mixed number or an improper fraction. So let's recall from last week, we talked about what a mixed number was and what an improper fraction was. So as a refresh over here on the left-hand side, right, a mixed number is a number like 3.5. And an improper fraction is a number like 17/8. Okay? So that's just a reminder so that I remember what a mixed number and an improper fraction are. So we're going to talk about converting or changing between one to another. So I want to remember what the word convert means. Okay, to convert something means to change it from one form to another form. So when I convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction, I'm changing it from a mixed number to an improper fraction. Okay, so we're going to start with example 1. Oh, actually, I want us to think for a second, just as a brainstorm. You don't have to write this down, but as a brainstorm, why would we ever want to change from a mixed number to an improper fraction? Why would we change something like 9 7/10 to something like 97/10? Why would we ever want to do that? I want you to pause this video and I want you to think about it. You don't have to have an answer. I just want you to think, why would we ever do that? Okay, so you should have thought about that for a minute. And I'll explain in a little while why we would want to do that. So example 1 is converting from mixed numbers to improper fractions. Okay, so let's start with 1 1/12. Okay, this is a real easy starter. So when we convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction, we're going to use the standard algorithm. So the standard algorithm has 3 steps. Step 1 is you multiply the whole number by the denominator. Okay, and this is because there's one whole group that already has 12/12 in it. So I do 1, because that's the whole number, times 12, which is the denominator, which gives me 12. Okay? All right, step 2, which is I take that answer from step 1, and I'm going to add the numerator to it. Okay, so I'm going to add the numerator, which is a 1, plus that 12, and I get 13. Now this number becomes the new numerator. So when I'm rewriting this fraction, my new numerator is going to be 13. Okay, and step 3 doesn't involve a lot. It just is keep the denominator the same. Okay, so the denominator is 12. So then this bottom number is going to stay 12. Okay, that's our 3 steps to converting from a mixed number to an improper fraction.